Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-30089 error in Oracle database 12c. So I have logged into the SQL plus editor as a common user called c#squad. Make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the SQL queries. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to create one table called resume2. Okay. So now this resume2 table contain name column, experience column, name and experience. Okay, so experience column has the data type of interval. Okay, so let us see what is going to happen. Yes, ORA-30089 missing or invalid datetime field. So what is the problem here is, so interval data type has many forms. Okay, so check the Oracle documentation, what are the types of interval data types, what are the forms of interval data types available. So then accordingly you create the field. Okay, so now you can see that after correcting the SQL query, interval data type table is created successfully.